Welcome to TVFutures.com. It's Wednesday, November 7th. I'm Remy Hoki for Commodities Recap. In today's session, NYMEX crude oil futures hit a new record high in electronic trading, but ended the session down. The benchmark crude oil contract fell 33 cents to end at $96.37 a barrel. Earlier today, the EIA reported stronger than expected U.S. crude oil inventories in the latest week. U.S. crude inventories fell 800,000 barrels to 311.9 million in the latest week. In other petroleum products, December reformulated gasoline gained to close at $2.4425 a gallon. December heating oil also gained to close at $2.6148 a gallon. Meanwhile, December nat gas lost 23.5 cents to close at $7 per million BTU. The API and EIA release nat gas inventory data tomorrow morning at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. And in the metals complex, gold futures rallied to close at a new record high as the U.S. dollar fell against the majors. COMEX December gold surged $10.10 to end at $833.50 an ounce. Meanwhile, other metals prices ended the session lower. December silver lost 5.5 cents to close at $15.0325 an ounce. December copper fell 8.25 cents to close at $3.2590 a pound. This afternoon, we're joined by Derek Frey from O&F Futures and Options. He'll recap today's session and also give us his outlook for energy and metals futures.
Okay, recapping the action we saw in the energy and metal sectors today, we saw a wild day today, and actually, frankly, most of the wild action that we saw was in the overnight session in both energy and metal sectors. We saw gold in the cash market push all the way up to 845, and we saw crude oil push briefly above 98.50 in the overnight market. Crude oil was in anticipation of today's API report, which of course showed smaller than expected draw, which has certainly taken the wind out of the sails in crude oil. Now, in my business, I know better than to make predictions, but I'm going to stick my neck out and make a rather bold prediction. You will see $90 in crude oil before you see 100, and you will see 100, but you will see $90 first. And same thing in the metals, frankly. You will see $1,000 in gold, but you will see a retracement back below $800 in gold in the fairly near future. The one-way train that has been the selling of the dollar is in the process of reversing as we speak right now. You're going to see that lopsided trade flip over, and we are going to see, at the very least, a dead cat bounce, if not a significant bounce in the dollar as we squeeze the shorts out. So bottom line here is look for the counterintuitive move to begin. It's already begun, frankly. We've seen a 200-point move in the U.S.-Canadian dollar pair, which is also largely tracks the inverse movement of crude oil. So look for a lot more strength in the dollar as the days go on. And the fact that places like CNBC and Bloomberg and all that are trashing the dollar on a daily basis is even more evidence that it's time to get in there and buy it. So play the contrarian. The contrarian, especially in the commodities market, tends to be the right move. And this is the ultimate contrarian play to buy the dollar right now when everyone else is screaming sell. So I encourage you to take a shot at it, because we should see some strength here in the coming days.
That was Derek Frey, head trader at O&F Futures and Options, with his commodities commentary. I'm Remy Hoki. Join us later for a PM exchange right here on etvfutures.com.